Assalamu alaikum. Good day. This is Monia Akter Rumi from College of Nursing, Sher-e-Bangla Nagar, Dhaka. First of all, I want to thank my teacher for giving me this nice platform. Today, I will discuss about a very important topics, the importance of learning English for nurses. Well, English is a global language. English is most commonly spoken language all over the world. You know what? English is the mother language about 318 million people and used as an official language about 53 countries all over the world. Nowadays, more and more people are dedicating their time to study English as the second language. Many countries include English their school syllabus, and children are starting to learn English at a very younger age. However, do you know why learning English is very important for nurses? Well, nurses are unquestionably the eyes and ears of a doctor, as they are front line with patients and in the hospital. They are a link between a doctor and patient. They must be sometimes give advice, explain a procedure, and simply communicate with doctor and patient. It has been noticed that even though nurses uses English very rarely in the practice of caregiving, sometimes they need to be communicate when dealing with patients from different countries who speaks English and need to get information to understand and to reassure his or her condition. Here, some different terms like I am a nurse chain. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. You will be better after you will have this medicine. Must be mastered this term phonetically and meaningfully and with a confidence voice, confidence tone, with a slight smile. As nurses, the essential English during their study time must be read, and many important documents, many important researches like palliative care, end of life care, ethical issues, also written in English and must be read in English. Many scientific papers, microbiology, anatomy, physiology, behavioral science, fundamental of nursing, also written in English. Besides, our assignment, practical, also must be written in English. That's why learning English is very important for nurses. Therefore, a qualified nurse required to supervise the nursing students of other college and other college, and that's why learning English is so important. Therefore, the essential English used in different fields like laws, ethics, business studies, science, etc. That's it. Thank you very much for hearing me. Assalamu alaikum.